Welcome back to the course, Bible Study Leadership Made Easy. You are in the process of learning how to lead a study with confidence and grace. Here you are at section 2. In this section, I will teach you how to step forward as the leader for your group. There are two basic roles of a Bible study group leader. Role number 1 is that of content guardian. Role number 2 is community builder. And those two roles are totally interlinked. A guardian is a custodian, a keeper, someone who maintains control of something important. For a Bible study, the something important is the truth from God's Word and handling it correctly. As content guardian for your group, you have that authority to control the content of the Bible study discussion. And community within your group is built around your study of God's Word together and how you are each applying it to your life. You as the leader set the tone for both of those roles the first time you get together. It's important that you make a positive first impression with your group. In this first video, I'm going to share with you a few helpful ideas to make that positive first impression you want your group to have. Remember how I said that you set the tone for your role as leader the first time you get together? Here are some things to consider to make a positive first impression. Number 1. Make sure that everyone can see and hear you, and if possible, see each other. Do whatever you need to do to adjust chairs, tables, where you sit, whatever, to make this happen. Number 2, sit so you face the entrance to the room. Whether you are in a small room or a large one, place yourself so that you can see the entrance that your group members will likely use to join the group. This way, whenever someone comes, you can quickly give a welcome smile and even a wave to let them know you're happy to see them. Do this all the time, not just on the first day. Number 3, start with a get acquainted question that everyone would have in common. For example, share your name. What brought you to this study? How long have you lived in the area? Your favorite color to wear? Your favorite flower? Just generic questions. Avoid things like tell us about yourself or your family or your job. You can share about those later as you get to know one another better. Think about a good general question, introduce yourself, and start first. And make this a whoever wants to go next activity. Don't call on anyone or go around the group if everyone is new. You will build community more effectively if you let people respond when they feel ready to do so. Just ask, who wants to go next? Number 4, find out the best way to communicate with each one. By text, email, Facebook, phone call. Get their contact information if you don't have it, and let them know your contact information. Give your group permission to contact you if they don't understand what a question is asking. Number 5, ask if anyone is new to studying the Bible. This is important information for you as a leader. Make sure they have a Bible and make a note to yourself that that person might need help learning how to find Bible verses and answer questions. I've learned not to assume that people know how to do that. We'll talk about it more later. Number 6, make sure everyone has a Bible study guide or knows where to get one. If I'm handing out books on the first day and someone misses that day, I deliver or mail the book to her before the next class so she can work on her lesson. If you have individuals buy books, try to find a way to help someone pay for a book if they aren't able to do so on their own. Number 7, pray for the group to learn from Jesus what he wants them to know and to learn how to love one another well. Here's what you learned in this video. To make a positive first impression for your group members, you want to make sure everyone can see and hear you and each other. You want to sit so that you face the room's entrance. You want to get acquainted with general questions. You want to nail down how to contact each other. You want to ask if anyone is new to the Bible. You want to make sure all have their books. And you want to pray to learn from Jesus and love one another well. See, you're already controlling content and building community. Now go to the next video, which will teach you how to introduce the study. See you there.